Welcome back to Moralis. Today we will see how to sync contract events and addresses on the Avalanche network in real time. This is a two-part series, and in the first one I show you how to start tracking any of these events or addresses, and in the second part I show you how to connect your front end, your decentralized application, with the data we have. It is a seamless exercise and you should be up and running very quickly. This is what we are going to make, a simple tracker. This is tracking the wrapped Ethereum contract on Avalanche in real time. We are seeing all the approvals for this wrapped ETH token. Every transaction that happens on the blockchain is shown here after I started tracking. This is pretty cool, to be honest. And guess what? It was stunningly easy, and with just a few lines of code, I made it running. I'll show you the entire process step by step. To achieve this, we have used Moralis because it is the fastest way to build Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and Avalanche decentralized applications. Here, we are basically replacing the entire backend and leaving the heavy lifting for Moralis. Just look at it, how beautiful it is, works seamlessly. Let's jump into the technicalities now. To begin, make sure to log in into your free Moralis platform. Once logged in, you can create a server on any of these networks as you wish. I have chosen the Avalanche mainnet, and you can choose any region that you like. Once you do that and click on create instance, you will see a server made just like this over here. So our goal right now is to take our wrapped Ethereum contract and fetch every single approval action that happens on the contract. Now you can pick any contract like Pangolin Exchange or wrapped AVAX, it's all up to you. So let's check out the wrapped Ethereum contract over here and see. If you scroll all the way down, you can see that there's a ABI section where you can get the contract ABI. This is very important to us. And you will also get the Solidity contract, the entire source code over here. Since we are looking for approval events, let's just click, search emit approval. And this is where our event is getting called. So every time an approve function is called on this contract by all these transactions that are happening, this event gets called. And this is what we'll be tracking. If you know some Solidity, you know that this is how events are called. There you go. We are emitting the event from here. So every time this part of the contract is hit by transactions, we will be notified. So let's add this to our real-time event sync on a dashboard. Click on view details. You will see there's a sync tab over here. After clicking on add new sync, you will see there's a watch contract events and a watch address. This is for an individual address. This is for an entire contract. So you can click that over here. Choose Avalanche. Give a description. Do not click on sync historical because then it would sync all of the data, and it's since wrapped Ethereum is very popular, you do not want to fill your database. Let it just track once you start tracking, not before it. The topic is basically the structure of the event without the names of the argument. Let me show you. If you have this over here, the approval event, you just have to see where it is defined. And as you can see, the event is defined over here. All you have to do is pick this entire thing over here. You can remove the name of the arguments like this. And just keep a structure over here. All we have to do is copy the ABI. You can find it over here. Click on the ABI section and search for approval again. Make sure to copy the event part only. You don't need the entire contract ABI. You only need the event. So copy this, paste it over here. The address is the address of the contract. And the table name as you wish. Click on confirm. Oops. Okay. Forgot the comma. Now, before checking out the sync, I will also add an individual address just to see how this works. Click on Avalanche main network. We'll choose a random address shown over here and we'll copy this. Put the address here, and you can leave the sync historical on because it's just an individual address with 200 transactions. It's easy to track. Click confirm. Let's check out the dashboard now. As you can see, our Avalanche wrapped Ethereum approval table is being populated as we speak, and our Avalanche transactions has 296 transactions. So that's about it. This is how we, in real time, sync our data. If you refresh and if there are more transactions, it'll keep filling up. Now all we have to do is create our front end and start reading this in real time so that we can update it on our application. Let's continue this part in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.